Hey, good morning from beautiful Southern Nevada. Hey, you know, if you watch a lot of my videos, you know I don't do a lot of accessories on my firearms. In fact, probably 95% of my guns are 100% factory original. Yeah, I might put on a red dot, a scope, maybe change out the springs in a pistol. But other than that, you know, I don't have a laser. I don't put lights on my guns. I don't put pistol grips on my rifles. Just a personal preference. I guess I'd rather spend my money on ammunition and practice, but that's just me. But when I do come across an accessory that I really like, I just want to pass it on to you guys. Picked up a couple of grips for my two 1911s, so we're going to take a look at those because, man, I really do like them. But these grips are made by LOK Grips, and I'll put a link to their website here somewhere in my video if I can figure out how to do it. These grips are made out of G10. Not quite sure what that is, but I think it's like a very, very hard polymer. I know they resist breaking, cracking, chipping. You see more and more pistols being sold today with G10 grips, so they're becoming very popular. Again, I picked up 2 sets of these, and tell you what, so far I really, really just love them. So, I do want to mention that LOK Grips doesn't make grips just for the 1911. They also make them for Beretta, Browning, CZ, Kimber. They make grips for Walther, and you can also get these grips in just a huge variety of different colors. And another thing that I really like, look at this. That's right, made in the good old USA. All right, tell you what, let's go into my shop, take a closer look at these grips, and then we'll come out here, set up some targets, and do a little shooting. Because you know I can't come out here and not shoot my pistols. Okay, I actually have 2 of these grips, and let's take a look at this blue one here because I really like this one. This here is the LOK Ops model, and it's very, very aggressive right here, but then on this other side it smooths out just a little bit. But I'll tell you, just very well made. And I have another set here. This is the crosscut, and those look pretty cool. These aren't quite as aggressive. They got just a little bit of a grip on it, and again, just very well made. I have 2 1911s. We're going to put these on, so let's get them on and see what they look like. Okay, Ruger 1911. Look at those grips. I'll tell you what, that color looks really nice on here. But you know what I really like is the blue. Look at that. Now both of my pistols are unloaded. I've double checked them twice. But you know what I really like? I like the combination of the stainless, the black, and the blue. That is just really nice looking. So let's take a look at my other 1911. Alright, this is a Colt Government 1911 45 competition series. This has a titanium blue Cerakote. And you know, I kind of like these, but I'm not quite sure if that's just the right color for this pistol. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, I think it kind of looks nice. But I do like the dark blue grips here. Look at that. And again, So we've got that one, and we've got the Ruger. So yeah, I'll tell you, I really like this. You know, these come in a lot of different patterns, and if you have a 1911, there is at least half a dozen different type of patterns you can pick from. They also sell accessories like screws. I mean, the fit on these are just absolutely perfect. Here's the original grips on my Ruger 1911. This is what the pistol came with. I actually like these grips, although they are kind of smooth. They don't have much of a texture on them. But I always thought they looked pretty nice on here until I put these on. And then it was like, holy moly, look at that. So, just changes the whole looks of this pistol. And I'll tell you, I absolutely love these grips. Alright, you know what? I think it's time to load up some magazines and do some shooting. What do you think? You know, some of you probably know that this Ruger 1911 is one of my favorite pistols that I own. So let's try it with the blue grips. I got some light target loads in here. Yeah, that's how you do that. Never knocked off two before. Think I have one round left. Man, I'll tell you get a nice solid grip on that. It does not shift in my hand at all. Yeah. So let me ask you this. Do you think a good set of grips will make you a better shooter? If you're not sure, let me answer that for you. Yes, most definitely. If you have a pistol that has some recoil to it, like a 45, and you have a smooth set of grips, a lot of times when you shoot, that pistol is going to shift a little bit in your hand. And what you have to do is you have to re-grip it. And what that's going to do is it's going to affect your timing and slow you down a little bit, and it's definitely going to affect your accuracy. Now, I don't compete anymore, but if I did, that's the grips right there I would have on my competition pistol. I get a nice, good grip. This does not move at all when I fire. The grip, I mean, doesn't shift in my hand. And honestly, yeah, I can shoot a little better with these grips than the stock Ruger grips, because those Ruger grips, even though I like them, they do give me just a little bit of movement when I shoot. But anyways, getting hot out here, guys. The flies are a pain in the butt. I hate to shoot flies, but I will, you little son of a gun. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.